Set a custom domain for a tenant in the SalePro SaaS, follow these steps. For that example, SalePro SaaS is installed on poddabatashop.com. A tenant poddabatamart.poddabatashop.com has been created. Now these tenants wants to set poddabatamart.com as their custom domain. During the tenant creation process, the dedicated IP of the SaaS application server will be shown. Here is the dedicated IP. The tenant needs to go to the control panel of their custom domain, copy the dedicated IP, and go to their control panel, domain control panel, custom domain, poddabata.com, and set the IP in the record of their DNS settings. Go to the DNS settings. Here is the Namecheap control panel and advanced DNS, and set this IP in a record of their DNS settings. Now this custom domain points to the SalePro SaaS application. That means poddabatamart.com points to the poddabatamart.poddabatashop.com. But for SSL setup, the SaaS provider must log into the cPanel or hosting control panel where the SaaS app is installed. And add the custom domain poddabatamart using create a poddabatamart.com, and document root is public HTML. And install the SSL certificate which is downloaded from the custom domain control panel, and install this SSL certificate as per the server's guideline. And that's it, the custom domain setup will be complete. Bye bye.